Part I. Addition can be considered as a supposedly simple operation, effectively representing the assembly of elements or the addition of quantities of a similar nature, for example distances, surfaces, or volumes. Note, in the concrete domain, the sum of the elements can only be executed if they are supplied with the same entity of universal unity. The realization of the sum between elements is essentially defined as the whole of a collection of elements, according to the following mathematical requirements. 1. The quantities entering into the process of the operation and which are repeated shall be seen as separate and treated individually. 2. On the other hand, these elements must retain their individuality during and after the process of the operation. 3. In addition, these elements must be classified to be of the same nature, in order to display a common name at the end of the process. Example 1. To some carrots and turnips, they should be totally assumed to be vegetables. Example 2. In a room there are 3 men, 2 women, 5 boys, and 4 girls. If we wanted to add up 3 men plus 2 women plus 5 boys plus 4 girls to have a final result, it is impossible to provide mathematical consistency to this situation. To remedy this kind of problem, it is imperative to choose the mathematically acceptable conditions. Thus, it should first be insisted that the 3 points raised be verified. We begin by designating a common nature of these 4 elements. In this example, the common nature of these 4 elements is chosen as person. In this way we would have 3 persons plus 2 persons plus 5 persons plus 4 persons equals 14 persons. So the final result would be exactly 14 persons in the room, since the 3 points are validated. 1. The repeated nature of the elements is respected here. For example, there are 3 men at the beginning and at the end of the process we obviously have 14 persons, and among them, there are 3 persons who are identified as 3 men individually separated. The same reasoning applies to the other elements. Puzzle 1. Try to give a convincing result to this. 50 ml of ethanol plus 0.05 liters of water equals, where ml is milliliter and L is liter. Puzzle 2. Try to give a convincing result to this. 10 grams of gold plus 0.01 kilograms of copper equals, where G is the gram and kg the kilogram. NB. The results of Puzzle 1 and Puzzle 2 are explained very clearly in another video. Subscribe to the channel so that you will be notified and entered of the availability of the second part. Thank you.